This show, it took us how many years? I was 18 and you were
12.
And you were 8 years
there,
older than me.
I was there.
And so it is really just such a big blessing to be able to see you all together for the first time. And PJ, yeah, alam mo na. We would like to thank our supporters for being with us through this journey from the beginning until now.
Yes.
And thank you for being with us on our roller coaster ride.
Ano yun?
Hindi ka ba nakakasakay doon?
Gusto namin pasalamatan ang mga passionistas.
Yes.
May mga passionistas ba dito? They gave us
Grabe
this,
yung libro na binigay ng mga passionistas from 2003.
From the 18th. Since when you're 18 till the present, grabe.
Yes.
And also the Crispy Burks. Mas marami tayong Crispy Burks dito kaysa passionistas, ano?
Talaga. May mic pala ako.
So yan.
You know, I'm so, ano ba, kinakabahan ako tuwing magkasama kami ni Piolo sa stage because, hindi kayo naman, no? Assuming. Hindi, kasi first time kong magkaroon ng parang showbiz na relationship, kaduet. So,
thank you, Christina.
Hindi pa ako sanay. Si PJ sanay na. So, tinutulungan naman niya ako through this.
Sobra ka.
Ano?
Ngayon lang ako naging ganito ka intimate sa kasama ko. Wow naman!
Intimacy naman ang pinag-uusapan dito? Ha? Nakakita ka lang ng mahigpit na ano?
Sobra.
Tsaka heels.
And then, because, you know, it's been, of course, a lot of you would know. May pera ko dito. May jeep sa labas.
Masasakay
Anyways, a lot of you have been a witness to how it's evolved or how it's gone through.
Gumaget over.
But, you know, it's such a blessing to be performing with you here and to be doing this tour. We talked about this last year. And now, this year, you know, alam niyo naman pinagdaanan namin. Panoorin niyo na sa The Buzz. Joke. But you know, we're here because of you guys. We're here because of your support. We're here because of your glamour. And at this point, we would like to just sing a song na matagal na namin hindi kinanta. Actually, this was the theme song of our soap opera, Lovers in Paris.
PJ, ilang beses ka nang nakapunta sa Chicago?
Many times. I'd be here almost every year, no? Mula pa na nabuhubad kami sa stage ng Hunks. Hanggang sa nag-i-Inglesan kami ni Sam dito. Ngayon naman, kunyari,
ngayon rocker ka na.
May kasama ko napaka-sexy.
Thank you. Bait mo.
Totoo naman yun. Sexy niya, no?
PJ, tigil mo. Napapagaling talaga. Thank you. Ano na?
Kantayin na natin ito para sa inyo lahat.